Good morning. It is finally Sunday. What are your plans today?
I am waiting for client emails, so I just want to stay home.
No way. Sundays must be beautiful, Tom.
But I am exhausted, Sarah. I feel crushed by this work.
Then turn off your phone. Just set an auto reply message.
But where are we going?
To a place to breathe. Come on, put on your shoes.
You are very mysterious today.
Trust me, you need this.
Fine, I am ready.
Let's go save your weekend.
Where are we going exactly?
Just wash the window, Tom.
I only see traffic and buildings. It looks like a gray wall.
Just wait a few minutes.
Okay, the buildings are smaller.
And the heavy traffic is gone.
The road feels very open. Look at that blue sky.
Now roll down the window.
Wow, the air feels cooler.
Take a deep breath now.
It smells like fresh grass. Everything is turning so green.
No more city noise here.
Is that a farm ahead?
Do you see the cows?
Yes, and the old house.
That is our destination.
It looks like a painting. Wow, it is so quiet. I hear absolutely no cars.
Only the wind today. Welcome to my childhood.
You really grew up here?
Right on this green land.
It feels like another world. The colors are so bright.
Look at the blue sky. No tall buildings blocking it.
It looks like a painting.
Smell the grass, Tom.
It smells like fresh earth.
Breathe it in deeply.
The air tastes so sweet. My chest feels open now.
That is the clean oxygen. See that old White House?
The one under the tree?
Yes, that was my home.
It looks very peaceful.
It holds so many memories.
Look at those sheep there. They are moving so slowly.
No one is rushing here. Time moves slower here.
I feel lighter already. My stress is melting away.
Nature does that to you. It heals the tired mind.
I don't think about work. I just want to sit.
Then let's sit down, right on the soft grass.
This is exactly what I needed. Thank you for bringing me.
I knew you would love it. Just close your eyes now.
I am so relaxed.
Enjoy this moment, my love.
You rarely talk about this place.
I kept it deep in my heart.
It feels like a secret world.
It was my whole world once. Grandma and I lived right here.
Just the two of you?
Us and a zoo of animals. We had cows, chickens, and cats.
Did you have a dog?
Yes, a golden dog named Max. He followed me everywhere I went.
I can imagine little you running.
I ran barefoot in the grass.
Sounds like a busy life.
It was a happy life.
What did you do daily?
Simple things, really. We fed the chickens together. She baked the best apple pie.
No internet, no TV?
We didn't need screens here. We watched the clouds move instead.
It sounds absolutely perfect.
When I was sad, I came here.
To this exact spot?
Yes, right under this big tree. Grandma told me nature heals the heart.
She was very wise.
She knew how to fix a bad day. I miss her voice every day.
I wish I had met her.
She would have loved you, Tom.
Why did you stop coming here?
After she left, it was hard.
So you stayed away?
Yes, and life got too fast. The city made me busy.
But today you came back. You were brave today.
Because you needed healing too. I saw how tired you were.
Thank you for bringing me here. I really like it here.
Do you feel better?
I feel like myself again. No stress, no rushing.
Look at the golden sun.
It is setting so slowly.
The light makes everything glow.
I feel so calm inside.
Just listen to the wind.
It sounds like a soft song.
We can stay until dark.
Yes, I want to see stars.
The stars are bright here.
This is a perfect day. Can we come back here?
Do you really want to?
Yes, we need this silence.
It does feel very peaceful.
Let's make a new rule.
What kind of rule?
We come here every month.
No work, no phones?
Just us and the grass.
That sounds perfect to me.
So, is it a deal?
Yes, it is a promise.